Hi, this is Josh from Shamma Sandals, and one of the questions that we get from time to time is, how do I deal with stinky sandals? So that's a problem that some people have. Well, before I got into running and sandals and all that, I was actually wearing Vibram 5 fingers a lot. And if you've had Vibram 5 fingers, you know that they stink to high heavens. So one of the things I'd do, I'd throw them in the wash, I'd scrub them with soap and water. I even found this one method, use Polydent, like the little tablets used for dentures. It never really worked. They always smelled. And I read online, I thought the coolest quote I found anywhere in one of these comment sections on this one blog was, "It's not the 5 fingers that stink, your feet stink." And it was like kind of a light bulb went off in my head, like, oh yeah, they're not actually creating bacteria, your foot's creating the bacteria. So one of the things I would really recommend to deal with if you have a smelly sandal, it's your foot is causing the problem. So really be careful, like before you put the sandal on, you might want to wash your foot ahead of time, make sure the sandal's clean, and then make sure your foot is clean before you put your foot on the sandal. The other thing is, if you go from a shoe that maybe has some of that bacteria, wash your foot before you put it on the sandal. You don't want to cross-pollinate, as I like to say, these different shoes. So hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully this helps you, rethink your strategy for keeping the foot odor down, and have a great day.